What's up, guys? Coco Bucket here. This is part 3 of the camp out in the backyard. Kind of just waking up for now in the tent. And all the other parts we were kind of messing around. Mick Fails was here with us in part 1 whenever we were just hanging out by the fire, and then he ended up getting sick and he had to go home. But Rad Block over there was able to stay. And so is little bro. He's under the blankets and pillows. So it is freezing out here. I mean, freezing. I don't know, what are you guys doing? Like, are you guys cold? Yeah, I'm wearing jeans, jacket. I had a hoodie on and socks on. Yeah, he's got a hoodie and booty shorts. So we're just gonna, yeah. So. Yawn. Right now it is like, what, 6?
No, it's like 7:30.
Yeah, it's like 6 or 7 right now. And we're just kind of waking up for now, but what we are going to get going right now, or in a second, is a fire. So we're going to go hang out by the fire. So we're going to go hang out by the fire for a little bit and kind of get warmed up. So, let's go do that. Where's little bro? No, it doesn't. A tent kind of just keeps out all the bugs. Doesn't really even help. Oh. Burly. You close this. Ugh, falling. Oh my God, are you sure? Ugh. Alright. So we got our little fire going on here. Or we did. Till we put it out. We only have one piece of wood left. Yeah, you guys used it all. Brandon?